Autumn Hills Park, and we're in the woods at the moment.
What are we going to do?
We're going to look around to see the differences between Rainforest and Woodland, where we are right now.
Okay, let's go.
I've spotted one.
What's that?
Well, rainforests have quite a lot of bright colours, but woodlands have quite a lot of darkish colours.
Yeah, good boy. Keep going then, see what else we can see. Can we see any wildlife at the moment?
Birds, but there wouldn't be... There's quite a lot of birds here, there wouldn't be like ocelots and everything, but there is quite a lot of
Birds.
different animals in the rainforest.
Let's go up this steep hill then. Is it colder in the woodland than the rainforest, would you say?
It might be because the rainforest mostly in quite cold places mostly. I kind of found out at school.
Keep going then. Hear the birds.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of birds.
See if we can see any squirrels. Would you get a squirrel in a rainforest?
You could do.
Would you? Sure.
Maybe just climb up the trees sometimes. What I've also noticed, rainforests have higher trees.
Ah.
And would you say there's thorns in a rainforest? There's few thorns.
There is lots of thorns.
There's quite a lot of destroyed wood here, like
There's lots of
fallen
big,
over trees.
yeah, lots of bad winds have caused these, would you say?
Yeah, like over
This
here.
big one just here?
Like over here. There's quite a lot of... I can hear some more birds.
Hmm.
Oh, there's a dark tree. I don't think you would find many dark trees in a rainforest.
Are they more leafy?
Yeah, there's quite a lot of leaves. Where should we go next?
Through
Say
here.
go here. Some thorns here.
Oh, prickly. Prickly one's just there.
Whoa, that's a wreckage. Might be able to find some footprints, see if you can look under there.
See if you can see some squirrels.
Or some just wildlife. There's quite a lot of them. Whoa, what's that tree? There's like spikes going off it. That's cool. It's like joint branches.
So what's the similarities then between
there's
this?
quite a lot of nature, and in the rainforest there's quite a lot of falling over trees as well.
Okay.
In the rainforest there is quite a lot of birds as well as woodland. But I'd say rainforest has quite a lot of different types of birds.
Right, yeah, good boy. Any others before we stop? I think it's warmer in the rainforest. Would you say it's quite cold out here today, Jenson?
A bit breezy.
Bit breezy, yeah. Bit chilly.
Right, I don't think I saw any squirrels, but I know there is some squirrels.
Say bye to Miss Levers then.
Bye. Judy, do you want to say bye?
Thanks for listening.
Thanks for listening.